Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And this is the all new Insta360 X4. And I'm super excited about it because before this I have never extensively used any 360 camera. So this is something new for me as well. And before starting the video, let me clear things out that this is not a paid collaboration, paid promotion or nothing like that. This is just me sharing my thoughts and review about a gadget. Also, Insta360 didn't send me this X4. I have bought it with my own money. So let's unbox it. Let's see what it comes with because I can't wait. So let's get started. Alright, let's see what Insta360 has packed in here. The Insta360 X4 itself feels solid, definitely premium. It has some weight to it, a standard lens guard, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a lens cleaner, some paperwork, quick start guides, but let's be real. Who reads these things? A thermo grip cover helps you to handle the camera while shooting 8K for an extended period and the camera gets hot to touch. I've also bought the Insta360 invisible stick. While shooting with it, it disappears. So I call it Magic Wand. It feels like straight out of Harry Potter movies. Extend it and poof, it disappears in the footage and it's like having a personal drone. I'm still learning how to use it properly, but I can already tell it's going to make my vlogs and moto vlogs look next level. The camera is compact and has some weight to it, but it feels premium in hand. Also, the touchscreen is very responsive and the menu is simple. Overall, it feels like a gadget that's ready to roll. Literally. One of the coolest things is how seamlessly this camera connects with the Insta360 mobile app, whether you are using Android or iOS. It feels like they are best friends. You can change settings, switch modes, review footage and edit on the go, all from your phone. The app has so many features that I could probably make an entire dedicated video just about that. And hey, maybe I will. And if you want pro level editing, there's an Insta360 desktop software available for both PC and Mac. I have tried it and honestly, it's pretty easy and straightforward to use, which is rare for softwares in 2025. Okay, so that's it for today's video, a quick unboxing and first impression of the Insta360 X4. Now, I need some time to learn how to properly use it. And after using it extensively in different scenarios, I'll be making a full, in-depth, dedicated review video of the X4. And that video will be from a perspective of a motovlogger. Because, let's be honest, a 360 camera with 8K capabilities on a bike, that's a whole new level of cinematic. Also, if everything goes as planned, by the time you will be watching this video, I'll be somewhere in the mountains riding my bikes, testing the Insta360 and pushing it to the limits in snow. So expect a detailed review video with some crazy shots. So if you are interested about that, hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tough.